occasion. Before we start our worship this morning, let's pray in each our heart. Pray begin.
For your servant who has been chosen to confirm your word. Let us carry out the word and we will do in our daily life, so that we become people who obey your commands. We also pray for our parents. Protect their step wherever they are. Give them health and long life.
When troubles come and my heart burdened, then I am still and waiting in the silence until you come and sit around with me. You raise me up so I can stand mountains. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. Me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. So I can stay on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I
Mati karena pelanggaran-pelanggaran dan dosa-dosamu.
Kami hidup di dalamnya karena kamu mengikuti jalan dunia ini. Karena kamu mentaati penguasa kerajaan angkasa, yaitu roh yang sekarang sedang bekerja di antara orang-orang durhaka.
Sebenarnya dahulu kami semua juga terhitung di antara mereka. Ketika kami hidup di dalam hawa nafsu daging dan menuruti kehendak daging dan pikiran kami yang jahat. Pada dasarnya kami adalah orang-orang yang harus dimurkai, sama seperti mereka yang lain.
Tetapi Allah yang kaya dengan rahmat, oleh karena kasih-Nya yang besar yang dilimpahkannya kepada kita,
Kita sama-sama
telah menghidupkan kita bersama-sama dengan Kristus, sekalipun kita telah mati oleh kesalahan-kesalahan kita.
firman-Mu saat ini. Curahkan urapan-Mu Tuhan bagi jemaat-Mu. Siapkan hatiku Tuhan untuk dengar firman-Mu.
Heard about this name, Demarcus Cousins. No, doesn't ring anything to your ear, right? Yesterday, how about yesterday? What did I tell you? Huh? Anyone who remember the name yesterday I mentioned? Huh? Nobody? Panthera tigris sondaika. That is the name of harimau Jawa. Kenapa orang menjauh dari saya? What's happened? That is what happened with Demarcus Cousins. You know, Demarcus Cousins was a NBA basketball player. He's a very good player. He's called as Boogie. You know, Boogie means dancing. When he played, he looks like dancing.